Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up email marketing with Klaviyo for online sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up email marketing with Klaviyo for online sales, begin by creating a Klaviyo account. Visit the Klaviyo website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and a password. Once your account is created, log in to the Klaviyo dashboard. Next, connect your online store to Klaviyo. In the dashboard, locate the Integrations tab. Select the appropriate e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the prompts to authorize and connect your store to Klaviyo. Upon successful connection, Klaviyo will automatically import your existing contacts and purchase data. Now, navigate to the Lists and Segments section. Choose a campaign name and select the list you just created. Now, design your email by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Drag and drop elements to include images, text, and buttons. Personalize the email by inserting merge tags for customer names or past purchase details. After finalizing the design, click on Review. Here, you can double-check your sender information and subject line. Once you're satisfied, schedule the campaign or send it immediately. Next, set up automated emails to nurture your audience. Go to the Flows section in the dashboard. Click on Create Flow and choose a flow type, such as Welcome Series. Design the flow by adding emails and setting triggers based on user actions. After designing your flow, ensure each email has appropriate timing and messaging. Once done, save and activate the flow. Now, monitor the performance of your campaigns and flows. In the dashboard, navigate to the Analytics section. Review metrics like open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize future campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Consider segmenting your audience for more targeted messages. Create segments based on behaviors, purchase history, or engagement levels. Finally, continuously test and refine your email strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.